Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to find rank of a matrix and we are using echelon form that is also called as reduced form of a matrix, and for that we are using elementary row transformation. If you don't know about all of these, please check my previous videos. I guess 2 or 3 videos back wherein I have explained all of these in detail in the same playlist. Okay, it is present in the same playlist. You can just watch that and come back to this to understand what are these things are. If you have already watched, then well and fine. If you know this already, then I do not have any problem. Okay, so let's get started. The matrix is given as 1 1 1 6. I'll write it little small because I write it really big, right? So I'll try to write it little small and neat. My handwriting is not so neat. So 3, 1, 1, 8, 2, minus 2, 3, and 7. So this is 4 by 4 matrix or 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. Using elementary row transformation. According to what, for echelon form, what I should have? Okay, this is 1, this is satisfied. But this should be 0, right? This has to be 0, this has to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? So to achieve this, I have to perform some operations. So I will do it using elementary row transformation. Okay, so I am not going to touch the row 1 because it has already satisfied the requirement. Rest of the columns, I'll see what I have to do so that I will achieve the reduced form of a matrix or the echelon form. So here the first row I will write it as it is, which I'm not going to touch it for the entire reducing the matrix to the echelon form to the entire process. This will remain as it is. So row 3, what I'll do is row 2, I will change it to row 2 minus row 1. Okay, if I do this, what will happen? 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Row 3 also I have got to perform something so that it becomes 0. So row 3 changes to row 3 minus 3 are 1. So this will become 3 minus 3, it will become 0. 1 minus 3, it will become minus 2. 1 minus 3, it will become minus 2. 8 minus 18, it will become minus 10. Now the fourth row also I have to perform something, right? So row 4 changes to row 4 minus 2 are 1. Okay, so this becomes, sorry, this becomes 0, and this becomes minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. This becomes 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 12, it is going to be minus 5. Okay, done. Now I have to make this 0, this 0, this 0. So let's see what all the other steps I can do to satisfy the requirement. I will leave these two as it is. I'll perform the operations on row 3 and row 4. So row 3 changes to row 3 minus row 2. If I do this, 0 minus, this will become plus 2. So 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 10 plus 1, it will become minus 9. Correct. Now row 4 I will perform some operation here. So row 4 changes to row 4 minus 2 row 2. So if I perform this 0 as it is, minus 4 plus 4, minus 4 plus 4, it will become 0. Please, if you are getting confused here, do these operations, perform these operations, okay, separately on somewhere on the sheet or a paper or a different rough note, whatever it is, perform and just have the clarification. If you're not understanding clearly, please check my previous 2 to 3 videos wherein I have even explained step by step. Okay, so 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is going to be minus 1, minus 5 plus 2 is going to be minus 3. Okay, now till here it is satisfied. before the diagonal I want all zeros. I want this to be also zeros. Okay, this entire elements to be zeros. So this is a non-zero number, so I want to convert this into a zero. So let's see what I can perform to do this. Okay, so this is 1 1 1 6, 0 minus 2 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 3 minus 9. And the fourth row, what I'll do is row 4 changes to 3 row 4 minus row 3. If I perform this, just see 0 0 0 0 will remain 0. This will be minus 3. 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 plus 3. So it will give me 0. So minus 9, this will give me plus 9. Isn't it? Am I doing anything wrong? So minus 9 plus 9, it will also give me 0. This is a 0th row. So here what I can say is I have 3 non-zero rows. 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of a matrix A is 3. Okay. Now we have found the rank of a matrix. It was so simple, right? So this is how you can find a rank of a matrix. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, share it whoever needs this to understand. Okay, so that everyone gets benefited. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.